Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here with me and for your comments and for subscribing. Well, I'm going to do the second movement of this first mini HIFU tutorial using this device. I have some things to let you know. You have an informative video, which is the unboxing mini HIFU video, and I create some playlists. One calls mini HIFU portable HIFU in English because I have another one in Spanish, and I also create an English videos playlist, and there you will find all of my videos, but for mini HIFU you will have a playlist with the previous videos and this one and the next one. And okay, I'm going to wash my face, clean my face twice before, and I'm back to start with this second movement. Well, I'm ready. I have ultrasound gel on my face, and on the device we use a lot of ultrasound gel and we reapply ultrasound gel all the time. Remember that, please, and use it. And we are going to do a different movement. In level number 1, I am not going to work in my under eyes in this area because I have been working there in the previous video, and that's enough for this area. And I'm not going to work in the center here, especially here, because I worked there in the previous video, the number 1. It calls mini HIFU tutorial number 1. So, okay, these movements are different. We are going to do passive. In level number 1, I am ready to start, and I put the mini HIFU portable HIFU portable here, and I move it. 2, 3, and again 3 passes. Level number 1, remember, level number 1. Now, I'm going to work on my cheeks. In level number 1, I don't touch here in the next movements, and when I change the levels in this video, I'm not going to work in this area. I work now in level number 1, and I start here doing passive. 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now I go from the corner of my mouth to my ear, doing passes. Then we change the movement, but we start like this. 1, 2, 3, and here, we start here to here. Okay, now I'm going to work on my double chin and this area under my bone, and then on my neck. And after that, we are going to our upper eyes and again on our face. Well, I have ultrasound gel on the device and on my neck and my double chin, in this area for my contour or contouring. So we are going to do passes in level number 1 to start. So we start here. 1, 2, 3, and now from here to here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do my neck, and after that my eyes and some movements on my face. For my neck, I start here to here. I don't touch the center of my neck. You know that. Please don't touch the center of your neck. So I put the tool here, here, and I move it. Level number 1, remember. We have been working in level number 2 and level number 3 in the other video, so in my neck, this time I will do only this in level number 1. Three passes. And let's go to the rest of my face and our upper eyes. I reapply ultrasound gel and on my face. And I go to work on my eyes first in level number 1 and then we change. I put the tool here on my eyebrows. I plump it and I'm going to do this. So I put in when they start, when my eyebrows start, I put it here, plump it, and level number 1. 1, plump it. 2, plump it, and 3. Oh, I have a lot of ultrasound gel. Okay, and now I change for level number 2. I go on my eyebrows, I plump it, and I go from the center to my hair. From here to here. So, I put it here, plump it. 1, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, and 3. And for these wrinkles here, in the same level, level number 2, move it very faster. We do this. 1, 2, and 3. We change for level number 3 to do 3 passes in some areas from here to here. For this saggy skin, for these lines, we want a lifting, we want to tighten our skin. So I start here and 1, 2, 3, here, 1, 2, 3, and here, 1, 2, and 3. And now, for our nasolabials and this wrinkle, I'm going from here to here again like the first movement, but very, very quickly. So, level number 3, remember, very, very quickly. 1. When I put this here, I plump my cheeks. I don't touch it. So, I put it, look, I plump it, and 1, 2, and the last one. 3. And we go to our eyes again to do this. This I put in the corner, in the center, here. And I go from here to my hair again. I do this, put it here, plump it, and 1, 2, and 3. And this is the second movement. I'm going to show you how I look after this. So give me a second to clean my face, and I'm going to show you how I look, but you can see how I look after this. This is a very, very quickly movement, but we have been playing a lot in the first video. And if you have more wrinkles, this movement, this second movement, you can do it twice. So that's why the session takes 70 minutes to 2 hours, and it depends of you, because these movements you can do it twice, and the next movements you can do it twice. For me, once is enough. But look at my face. Now, I only did this second movement, but watch it, and here, and we need to do the last movement, and after that I will do a video, a quickly video for doing once a month, or when you don't have time to do the full treatment and you have only a few minutes, or a special occasion, and a wedding, or you are going out and you need to tighten, to plump it, to get this amazing lifting. I'm going to do this video too. And well, thank you so much for being here with me, guys, and for your comments and for all your support. I really love you guys. Thank you.